In the past few years, Aruba got some extra social media exposure due to the growing popularity of the Flamingo Island. As a person who loves hidden gems, I want to show you where us locals go. My grandpa and I got invited by family to spend the day at the Riff. Let's check it out. Just woke up in Aruba. Beautiful sunny day. And I'm picking my grandpa up because we're going to, what in Papiamento we say, Riff. So it's going to be a fun day. I'm leaving the hotel just now. I'm going to pick my grandpa up because we're going to Riff. Well, mostly the tourists, they know the Flamingo Island. Well, Riff is just like a smaller piece of land with a hut on it, and you can spend family day playing games, swimming, snorkeling, drinking, of course, part of the culture. But it's going to be a fun day, so I'm going Riff. I haven't been to Riff like I think in more than 10 years, so I'm really excited about this. ¿Nos va a kopen su auto? Vámonos. Met de vlog, met de trouwvideo con onze bij Riff. But first, let's check some pastichi and croquette for the day. This is a typical Aruban fisherman boat, and the beautiful Aruban flag in the background. And Grandpa waiting there with a beer for them to pick us up. 3 hours later. 3 hours later. And just like that, we have arrived at the Riff. The Riff is located on pieces of land closely to the coastline of Aruba. These riffs, built between the mangroves, were created by families during the years, and they have multiple families spending the weekends there, and they also rent it out per day. And as you can see, the water there is really beautiful. What I love particularly about this riff is in the back you have like an entrance with a natural tunnel made out of mangrove where you can enter the water. And the coolest thing about this water is that it is connected to what I called Aruba's very own natural lazy river. Through this drone footage you can see how people were enjoying the lazy river. I think if you come with a name like a lazy river, you need to have like backup evidence, and that's why I'm sharing this footage of the drone footage where you can see that the stream of the ocean from the bigger ocean is coming from to the right, and it flows right in between the mangroves on the backside of the riffs, and it creates something truly beautiful and totally natural. When we arrived, I immediately went to explore the mangrove tunnels, accompanied by the man himself, Mr. Grandpa. I also walked the entire backside of the riff, which I call the lazy river side. To sum it all up, I had a blast that day. I made some new friends, I reconnected with some family I haven't seen in a while, we had fun, we played domino, we chilled in the water, we had some food, we had some snacks, and I want to say to Lucia, thank you for the invitation, and next time, count me in. And if you're watching this and you like this type of video, please hit the like and subscribe button. And till the next time, bye bye.